Welcome guys, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to GJ's Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I believe is something you guys are going to find more interesting. So this video is just about how to accept PayPal payment on invoices for freelancing services. How to accept PayPal payment on invoices for freelancing services. Please, if it's your first time coming across our channel, please do well to click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned, because in this channel we make sure that we give you guys the latest update on things you need to know and things to solve any of your payment platform problems. So guys, as I've already said, today's video is just going to be a simple and a short video. So all I want you to do is to stick to the end of this video, watch everything I'll be discussing in the video, and try to implement them accordingly. So guys, welcome to the video. This video is particularly going to teach you a step-by-step way on how to create PayPal invoice and easily accept payment from client for freelance or consulting work. So guys, if you're a freelancer or you can offer a consulting service and want a simple way and the fastest way to get paid by your client, this video is particularly for you. And this is going to give you a step-by-step process in order to get this done. So first of all, I'll go onto my dashboard and click on the next thing which I need to do, which is edit. I'll click on to edit an invoice. So as you can see, once you click on it, you go and create an invoice. You'll notice now that we are now where they ask us to create an invoice. So once I click on yes, I want to create an invoice, good and fine. You now see the invoice that is here. You put in your customer email, probably the person uses PayPal, you collect his email address, you put it here, and once it's done, you put in the thing you did. Probably you are a web designer, you put in the web designing job to read web design. So once you've done that web design, so the item you did, and you put in the customer email here. You can put in the email you give so that he can easily receive. The reason for this email is probably once you are done setting every of these things up, the person receives a link to his or her email inbox, and once he has received this link, he can easily click on the link from his inbox to make payment directly to you. So it doesn't require him having a PayPal account. He can easily use his bank card to check out and make payment to you. Probably if he uses PayPal, he's also on a best and a safer side. So once you put in the email address, the amount that you want to charge, probably as you can see, this is of different currency as it is. My own is in British pounds. So if it is in dollar that you are requesting your payment from, you go on and click on USD. So once you've put USD inside, you put in the amount that you want to collect as your duty, as the fee that you charge this person. So once you've done that, do not forget the email have to be a working email. And if you think you have so many other things to include, so it's going to be more detailed, so you just go ahead and include them. So that is what I want to do now. As you can see, bill to email address or name. So once you've added that, the service you did, probably the item, you put every of the description of what you did, you add it to it. So this is just like an illustrational video to teach you guys how it is being done. Once you've done that, you click on add. So I'm not adding anything, this is just for you to know that will be added, and the amount you are going to be charging is going to be there, and subtotal of total amount of which is going to cost. If you are willing to give a discount, you can easily give a discount, and if there's anything that you want to add as shipping costs, you put it in. That is if it is physical product or probably anything. And if it is something that is not going to be shipped, that is maybe something you can easily download, you just click on item will be shipped, which is to turn it on. And if it's not something that is not going to be shipped, you just turn it off. So meaning that the shipping area there has been blocked, meaning you cannot charge for shipping. And you write in your notes your payment. Probably you can say payments for so and so what you did. And once you've done that, if there's other options that you need to add, like putting in file or things you want the person to see, or if you have a sample of your job, and if it's someone that wants to see a sample, you can put in your sample here after you have done that. And if you want a partial payment, you click on to put in a partial payment. So guys, this is just a perfect way you can do that. And if you have a terms and condition for your freelancing job. Probably if payment is made, no more refund, all these things. You have to single-handedly mention your terms and condition. Reason for this is because if the person comes back asking for chargebacks, PayPal will be able to defend you in terms of saying this is what and this is this and that, to probably guide your business from fluctuating from scammers or trying to make it look as if you didn't do what he wants. So you have to make sure that your terms and condition is very clear. So once you have done that, you click on send. Once you click on send, this a link will be sent to the person, to your client, or probably the person that you are willing to receive payment for. A link will be sent to him or her. Once this link is sent to him or her, he clicks on it to check out, probably with his card or with a QR code. All these things can be achieved by your customer. So guys, this is just a simple way to create an invoice. And meanwhile, the reason I will always advise any business owner that uses PayPal, I will advise you have an invoice for any of the things you do. Probably you sell goods and services, especially if you are a seller, you sell outside. It's better you have an invoice, because when it comes for any proper verification, PayPal would always request for invoices, so that you'll be able to scale through, showing that your business is mainly for business purposes. And also, again, I've advised you guys not to use a business account to make payment for friends and family. It's not acceptable. Your business account have to be dedicated to only business purposes alone. So guys, take note of all these corrections and avoid problem that might come up. And as you can see, the three dotted line which I clicked here shows me if I want to make a recurring fee. Probably someone that subscribed to my program, to my webinar, or to my course, and it's something that you have to be recurring. So I can just easily click on it to make an invoice for it, meaning that as either you can see creating a recurring invoice. So once I click on that, it's going to gradually show me where I'm going to be filling the details of this same customer and the frequency of how you want to be charging the same person. Same way, same how, the same process. All you just need to do is fill in the name of the person or the email address. Once you fill in the name and the email address, how you want PayPal to remind this person, if it is monthly, if it is yearly, if it is weekly, all these things will be done there. So once you've done that, you fix in the items, the thing you did or service that you rendered. After that, you write a short note for your customer for clearly understanding, so that he is going to understand what this billing is for, what the invoice is for. So this is just the perfect way of creating an invoice, both recurring invoice or a single payment invoice. So guys, I believe I've broken down most of the things that is necessarily needed for you to understand how to overcome unable to receive payments from clients due to maybe the person doesn't have PayPal. So this one is going to easily help the person out to check out with his card. Even if he doesn't use PayPal, you check out with his card and probably make your payment. You receive your payments without stress, easily, without any problem. So guys, if you find value in this video, please, I'll advise you guys to give me a thumbs up by clicking on the like button and also subscribing to our YouTube channel. And if you have any question regarding to this video, kindly go to the comment section and drop your question. I promise I will kindly answer you according to what you drop. So guys, thank you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.